I'm Sanjay Nagchaudhary from the IBM Integration Bus development team. In this video, I will introduce you to the new Kafka Consumer and Kafka Producer nodes that have been provided in IBM Integration Bus version 10 Fixpak 7 and take you through a scenario which shows how they can be used. Apache Kafka is a distributed streaming platform which allows applications to publish and subscribe to streams of records. It is architected as a cluster of one or more nodes. A stream of records is called a topic. A producer can publish messages to a topic. A consumer can subscribe to a topic and consume the messages that were published. Kafka manages the distribution of messages and the assignment of consumers. To balance load and achieve scalability, Kafka allows topics to be divided into partitions. By defining a topic to have multiple partitions, messages published on the topic are distributed equally amongst the partitions. Consumers in a consumer group are split equally across the partitions. IBM Message Hub is a scalable, distributed, high-throughput messaging system built on Apache Kafka. This can be used to stream data to one or many analytics engines. It is available as a service in IBM Bluemix. In IBM Integration Bus version 10 Fixpak 7, there are two new Kafka nodes which can be used for integration solutions which require interactions with topics on a Kafka cluster. The Kafka Producer node can be used to publish messages from a message flow to a Kafka topic. The Kafka Consumer node can be used to subscribe to a Kafka topic so that messages can be consumed and processed by the message flow. Let's go through a scenario which uses the Kafka nodes. A temperature-controlled room is monitored using temperature readings that are sent to a topic on IBM Message Hub using the IBM Watson Internet of Things platform. There are 3 temperature-controlled rooms in the cities of London, Manchester, and Bristol. 3 topics have been defined in IBM Message Hub for each city. Each room has a device emitting events which are published to a topic for that city. An IIB message flow uses 3 Kafka consumer nodes to consume events from the topics that have been defined in IBM Message Hub. The purpose of a message flow is to check the temperature readings from each city and publish them to another Message Hub topic using a Kafka Producer node. The topic is subscribed to by analytics engines like Apache Spark. The data is received in JSON format and contains measurements for the current temperature, humidity reading, and an object temperature value. If the temperature reading rises above the object temperature, then an operator needs to be alerted. The message flow detects if the temperature is too high and starts to action it. The message flow converts the data from JSON to CSV format so that the data can be written to a spreadsheet which can be reviewed by the operator. Next, the message flow looks up the email address of the relevant operator in a MongoDB database. It forms the email for the operator based on the data that has been received and then sends the email to the operator. In Message Hub, I have defined 4 topics. There are 3 topics where the temperature readings are published to by the sensors in the 3 different cities. There is a 4th topic which contains messages that are published by the IIB message flow and consumed by analytics engines. Credentials are required by Message Hub for applications to publish or consume messages. I will copy these credentials and define them in the IIB credential store using MQSI setDB palms. All Kafka nodes that are deployed to the same integration server must use the same set of credentials to authenticate to the Kafka cluster. I'll copy the server details so that I can configure the Kafka nodes in the message flow. I have already added Kafka consumer nodes for Manchester and Bristol. I will add the Kafka consumer node for the London topic and specify the topic, server, and consumer group details. In order to connect to Message Hub, I need to specify the security protocol to be SASL SSL. I will add the Kafka producer node, which publishes the temperature readings. I'll configure the node in the same way. The flow has 3 Kafka consumer nodes to receive the messages from the sensors. A mapping node is used to convert the messages from a JSON format to a CSV format using a JSON and Daffodil schema. A loopback request node is used to look up the email address of a relevant operator from a MongoDB database. Examples of using the loopback request node can be seen in previous videos. The email is formed and sent using an email output node. The flow is complete and can now be deployed. I will use the flow exerciser so that I can show the contents of a message as it goes through the flow. I have a service created on the IBM Watson IoT platform in Bluemix. There are cards on my dashboard which shows the temperature readings from the 3 cities. I am using sensor simulators to send temperature readings. The cards show the temperature and object temperature for each location. I'm using a Java program to consume the temperature readings that are published by the message flow. If I click on the flow after the Kafka consumer node, I can see the contents of a message that has been received. I can also see the message that has been propagated from the Kafka producer node. I will use the London sensor simulator so that the temperature will go above the object temperature. I can see in the flow that the data has been converted from JSON to CSV format. The email address of the London operator has been retrieved from the MongoDB database. A bad news email has been sent to the London operator. It tells the London operator information about the temperature readings. I will now simulate the temperature going back down below the object temperature. A good news email has now been sent to the London operator. The London operator can see a CSV file has been created and can open the CSV file using Excel to check the details for the temperature readings. I have demonstrated the new Kafka producer and Kafka consumer nodes. They can be used to publish and consume messages on a topic in a Kafka cluster. This allows you to develop message flows which need connectivity with any Kafka server implementation like IBM Message Hub.